You need to watch this if you believe in the power of youth activism. Ostalo Siziba's journey is nothing short of inspiring. Ostalo Siziba, spokesperson for the Citizens Coalition for Change, has been celebrated for his relentless fight for democracy and human rights in Zimbabwe. This honor, bestowed by the Southern Africa Youth Forum, highlights his unwavering dedication to social justice and youth empowerment. From his early days as a fearless student activist to becoming a key figure in the Citizens Coalition for Change, Siziba's journey has been marked by courage and resilience. He's not just a voice for change, he's the embodiment of it. Receiving the Changemaker Award at the Canon Collins Annual Scholars Conference in Johannesburg, Siziba reminded us all of the power of collective impact. He emphasized that our academic pursuits are about more than individual growth, they're about making a difference together. Here's to Ostalo Siziba, a true beacon of hope, proving that change is possible even in the face of adversity. Keep inspiring us all.